Interrupted with the Rdzone library DLL blocking Realtek workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To begin the walkthrough for Rdzone library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Rdzone library, a proprietary Realtek Audio Zone management module. It handles the virtualization of multi-channel audio outputs by mapping specific software audio streams to designated physical output ports, zones, on the high-definition audio HDA codec. It manages the real-time buffer orchestration required to keep independent audio manifests synced across different localized speaker setups. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Rdzone is a critical dependency for games and graphics-heavy apps. I suggest installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore your system's legacy DirectX routines, followed by a GPU driver update to handle any modern compute or OpenGL requirements. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Rdzone library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Rdzone library DLL in your System32 folder. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning Rdzone library-related issues. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Rdzone library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.